the first topic of the day, which is overview of financial market. So this the entire session is structured from very basics of why the financial markets is all about, what are the different components of financial markets, and gradually I'll take you to the what is banking, and then what are the different regulations of banking, why bank is required by us, though we always use it, and then I will take you the entire thing from the Indian context. So I'll take you through what are the different types of banks, why RBI is there, and then I'll take you to the banking products and services. This will be tomorrow's session. Then on the next week, it will be a complete detailed deep dive into lending process. So where I'll take you through the entire lending process flow and what are the lending products, what are the different, how those product works, starting from the process side, from the business side. And then that will be the next Saturday and Sunday session. Then next week, followed by that, last week we'll start with the payment system, kind of a basic overview of payment system. What are the different types of payments available, how the settlement works, and what are the different stakeholders in the payment system. And then a quick overview of what are the different banking solution and softwares available in the market. And finally, the last one will be the new age banking, where I'll describe you about the kind of a new terminology which is goes around in the market, like your digital banking, mobile banking, so on and so forth.